Getting started with WorkMobile. Creating a mobile form. Select New Form from the menu on the left-hand side and fill in the form name and form description if required. Then press Save. Within the Form Designer, there are a number of controls available within the toolbox. There are a number of fields you can include within your form, such as text and number fields, date and time capture, photo capture, and signature capture. You can personalize your form to match the data capture needs of your business. For each field within your form, you can access the field properties on the right-hand side of the screen. Here you can change the displayed caption for each field, as well as other settings such as minimum and maximum length. For more detailed personalization, you can add formulas to your fields to manipulate the data that is captured. After designing your form, click the Save button. From the form dashboard, you can make changes to how your form works by making the form active by publishing it, or auto-uploading your form's data to give you real-time data capture. To save the changes, press the Save button. Your form can now be viewed within the Forms list. If you require any assistance with form building, please do not hesitate to contact a member of the WorkMobile team. Creating your mobile users. Select Mobile Users from the top menu. Then from the Mobile Users screen, select New Mobile Users from the left-hand side. From the Add New Mobile Users screen, you need to fill in all of your mobile user details, making sure to fill in all of the required fields. Then click the Activate User button towards the bottom of the form and press the Add User button to save. Once saved, a confirmation message will appear at the top of the screen. Created mobile users will allow you to improve the mobility of your field workforce. Creating a job. Select the Jobs button from the menu across the top of the screen. From the screen that appears, you first have to create the job type for your form. From here, you will need to name your job type, place a description if needed, and select the Live button. Jobs enables you to schedule the workload for your field operatives. You then need to select the form you are attaching your job type to and choose the required fields that will be operator and mobile user editable. Finally, select the summary fields you will use to identify each of the individual jobs. Once completed, press the Submit button. The job type you have created will now appear on the Job Types page. To create a job, select New Job from the left-hand side and enter the appropriate details on the first screen. Fill in all of the required details and press either Save to store the job or Save and Allocate to allocate to a user. From the Job Allocate screen, select the appropriate mobile user from the list and press the Save button on the left-hand side. This job will now show as allocated to the mobile user. Creating a mobile user group. User groups enable you to allocate certain forms to particular users based on the project workflow. Select the dashboard from the top menu and select the user group button from the left-hand side. Select New User Group and fill in the required name and then press Save. Your user group will now be visible within the user group table. Mobile users and forms can be added into a user group by going into each one individually. Show completed records. To view your completed data, go into your forms list and select the appropriate form. From the form dashboard, press the Completed Records button. You will then see a table with all of your completed data. Download your data. From within the Completed Records screen, select Download Data from the left-hand side. Select the appropriate method to download your data using the option to mark your data as old so that these records won't appear within new data downloads in the future. Within the Advanced tab, you can specify the data that you want to download. Your data will be downloaded as a CSV file. Creating reports. Select Reports from the top menu and enable reporting on your account. Select Design Reports from the left-hand side and choose how you want to run the report builder. Within Report Builder, you can create your own tailored reports, and if you require more assistance with building reports, check our knowledge base under the support menu on the WorkMobile Forms website. Viewing your reports. Go into your forms list and choose the form you want to see the report for and click on the Completed Records button. From the table of data, click on the yellow folder icon within the report column next to the row you want to see. This will display the report preview window where you can export the report in the format you want. Creating notifications. From the appropriate forms dashboard, select Notifications from the left-hand side. Notifications allow you to send out completed data in real time. From the notification screen, select the type of notification that you want to create. For each notification, you can specify what email address it is to be sent from, who it is being sent to, and you can personalize the subject line and body. Viewing your media library. To view your media library, select Dashboard from the menu across the top of the screen and select Media from the left-hand side. Here you will find all images, CSV files and formatted labels you included within your form. Creating multi-logins. From the dashboard, select Logins from the left-hand side. Select New Login and then complete all of the required details, including specifying what access each login will have. Then press Save at the bottom of the screen. Multi-logins provide improved accessibility within your workforce. If you need any further help, contact one of our support team on 0161 464 6220 or visit workmobileforms.com.